Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. We just made it out. We're gonna go for a wade. It's around noon, March, so we just changed the time forward last night. So yeah, full moon tomorrow. I decided to sleep in. We got a major feed around 1 o'clock from 1 to 3, so I slept in, let all the waders do their work this morning. Now hopefully I'll have it to myself. There's only a couple people out there and looks like they're working their way in, so that's good for us. So yeah, went to the fishing show this weekend and it was a lot of fun. Met some cool people, got some cool swag, got the True Store hat and shirt, got some lures and stuff, met up with some old friends, and yeah, it's always a good time going to the fishing show. If you haven't gone, next year you need to go. But I think we're gonna do a whole afternoon evening session, so I'll fish here till like 4 probably, and then I might go hit up Roy's. They have a patio sale going on, maybe snag a couple things, I don't know, probably some stuff I don't need, but I'm gonna spend some money anyways, I'm sure. But after that we're gonna go wade somewhere on the island. So March, trout get really heavy in March. They get fat, so I caught my fattest like exactly like 3 years ago to this day, actually, spring break. So hopefully we get on one. So yeah, just keep grinding. Windy, so that's why we're waiting, but we're in a protected area, so it's good. So yeah guys, hopefully we can get on something, so let's do it. Soft plastic time down south. Got the custom one, I don't even know what color it is, but I think it'll be good for on a day like today. The bright skies, sun's out, guns out. Not really, but fish. What is that? It's got to be a rock. We bowed up, but I don't think it's for the right reason. Oh, it is a fish. Oh, it came off. Dang it, dude. That might have been a flounder. Shit. Oh, it felt weird, man. It just felt like weight. Oh, good sign. Yes. Oh my god, dude. Not my day, boys. Alright guys, so epic fail. Unfortunately, I got skunked there, first spot. Plan did not work out at all. My dad showed up. He caught one trout, about 16 and a half, so I didn't catch shit, man. Got some bites, but just didn't hook up, so oh well, it happened. So now we're gonna go to Roy's, see if we can get a couple goodies, and then I'm gonna go hit up spot number 2. It's 4:13, so sunset's at like 7:30, so 8 o'clock is probably dusk, so we still got some time, so hopefully we can turn this day around. So let's go. We out here, spot number 2. So forgot to record my little shenanigans at Roy's, but I only got a couple lures, so not bad. Just some old school ones for a new video. But yeah, here's spot number 2. So haven't been here in like a year, so probably just gonna work this shoreline. There's a deeper hole out to the right over there, but I don't know if I'm gonna go out that way. I'll probably work the shoreline mostly. But yeah, see if we can get on something, maybe some redfish or something, trout, who knows. So let's go exploring. Gotta stumble across something. Yes, dude. What'd I say? What'd I say? We had to stumble across something. It's a red. It's gotta be a red. Alright, boy. He's way out there, dude. Finally freaking got something though. Oh my god. On the new combo. Alright, purple rain burner shad. Let's see what it is. Got my drag loose, a little loose. Come on, boy. What is it? I was about to say, like, how are we gonna walk this whole shoreline without getting a bite? Okay, yeah, he got like really close to me, and then he saw us and he took off. It's gotta be a redfish. We'll wear him out. What time is it, dude? 7:14. We started fishing at noon. Took like a 2-hour break to get food and go to Roy's, but still, it's been a grind. Gotta be a red. It's fighting hard. It's not even that big either. He's a keeper, but slot, that's for sure. Get me all twisted up. God dang. He's still got some fight left. Bro. Dude. He's going in circles. Nice red, dude. Nice red. Is he done? I think he's done. All right, boys. All right, guys. Nice red. Only took freaking 7 hours to get this guy. He is 26-inch red, like 6.5 pounds. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. So yeah, walk-in wading can be tough, but it could also be rewarding. So I did pretty good in December and January, but February and March have been kicking my butt. So just got to keep going fishing, putting time out on the water, and it'll pay off. Right now it's really, really windy, so wading is actually like a good type of fishing to do. You're not getting beat up in the kayak or on the boat, and yeah, you don't have to fight the wind. You're just standing there, so it's nice. It's probably the easiest and most efficient way to fish right now with all the winds and stuff. But yeah, just find a semi-protected area and you're good to go. Like 20-25 mile an hour winds. Should be no problem for wading. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.